Hi everybody, so my name is Shayla and I filmed this purple look for you. I was just playing around here. I just wanted something that I thought would be kind of cute with this top. Merry Christmas everybody. It is December 25th, 2018, so yeah, this is my Christmas look that I'm just going to be wearing around my house. I don't really know that I'm going to get out today, but yeah, this is what I got going on. So if you guys want to see how I did this look right here, then please keep on watching. Now I'm going to take my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and I'm going to go in with the color Sienna. I'm going to pick up a little bit of Sienna and I'm going to stick that in my crease. By the way, I'm not a professional makeup artist by any means. I just like makeup and that's why I'm here right now. For all over my lid, I'm going to pick up this color out of the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday 2016 palette, and this color is called Mittens. Yeah, I'm going to pick up this purple shade right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Then, to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to go in with the shade right below it. I think this is in the color Silent Night. I think this color may have been Nutcracker, and this might be Silent Night. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to go in with this darker purple right here and put that in the outer third of my lid, so like right here. So now I'm gonna go in with my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Plum On. I got this out of a little mini set out of Dillard's. There were 3 metallic shades and 3 glitter shades. And so I'm going to place this all on my lid. But really more like just the center of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara in the color The Black is Black, I think. It's one of the ones that Shayla did. Not me, but Makeup Shayla. Her. It was her collab with Maybelline. I'm just going to go in with some mascara. 1 second. I'm going to go find some lashes, throw them on, and then I'll be back to the rest of my face. Okay, I'm back. My lashes are on. Guess how long it took me to do them? I'm not the very best at lashes, but I did my best. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I'm in the shade 390. I'm just gonna drop this on a few places on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to highlight my face. One moment, I have to go get my beauty blender because I forgot about it, and then I'm gonna come back and blend it all out. Now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle, and I'm going to use that to contour. Set everything, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set the places where I highlighted. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark, and I'm going to use this to wipe away all of the excess powder. I don't really like to bake because I don't really like the cake face, and that's just not necessarily what I'm going for today. And this powder, I'm also going to just drag it everywhere, even over the places where I contoured. Oh, it's so bright. I need like the nice camera equipment. But yeah, I absolutely where I feel like I would just repurchase them, and this is definitely one of them. So now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced bronzer in the shade Dark Chocolate Soleil, and I am going to stick this in the hollows of my cheeks and on my temples. Now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Holiday Highlighter in Snow Flush. I absolutely adore this highlighter because it's so pretty and pink and iridescent, so it's like kind of got a green shift to it. It kind of reminds me of that Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I don't know that you guys can pick up on it, maybe a little bit there, but it almost kind of shifts into that, almost. Because Trophy Wife is something different, something a little too different for me, but this is cute. I also like to put my blush on after my highlighter because I feel like it just kind of melts the two into each other. Now I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Okay. Last step, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unveil, and I'm going to lightly put that on my lips. And there you guys have it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I've never actually filmed a video, like I said, talking to the camera, so this was really interesting for me. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I actually really like it. I wish that I had all of the equipment to kind of show you guys what I see when I look in the mirror, because I don't feel like my setup right now is doing it justice. I'm just in front of my windowsill, and I don't wear a lot of purple eyeshadow, but I'm really feeling this purple eyeshadow look, so I'm really happy about that. But thank you guys again, and God bless. Have a really good holiday season, and I will see you guys soon enough.